Installation Guide. FLUIX TRI-SWIFT AM4 Water Block. Start by removing the 4 screws and original plastic hold-down clamps with a Phillips screwdriver. Set aside the original AM4 backplate and flip the motherboard around to its back. Peel off the plastic pad from the original AM4 backplate. Attach the plastic pad to the provided steel backplate. Make sure the ribbed side of the backplate is facing down. Place the steel backplate on the back of the motherboard with the plastic pad in between the backplate and motherboard, as shown, while holding the backplate in place with one hand. Flip the motherboard front side up. Thread the mounting posts through the motherboard and into the steel backplate. Use finger strength only and until mounting post bottoms out. Clean off the top of the CPU before applying new thermal paste. Apply new thermal paste. We recommend using a spatula to spread the paste to cover the full IHS. Now it's time to mount the Tri-SWIFT Water Block. Place the Tri-SWIFT Water Block on top the CPU. Give the block a wiggle to eliminate air bubbles in the paste. Place the 4 compression springs on top to firm mounting posts. Thread the thumb screws to the mounting posts in a cross pattern as shown. Make sure to only use finger strength and thread the thumb screws until block is firmly mounted. Finally, check the mount by trying to move the block. The block should not move and firmly stay in place.